Now in the admin panel I am going to do one thing, that is I will just go to login first here, and then I am going to control the user from here. You see that admin can edit his own profile, admin can see the dashboard, log out, okay, but admin cannot do one thing, that is he cannot just create user or these things he cannot do, but I am going to give this option to the admin. So first of all I am going to close all the things from here. Now I am going to work with the admin end, so I am going to the admin now. So in the views admin, you will see this is the admin folder. So in the admin folder I am going to create a folder, that is the user. So admin can create user, so I am going to create.blade.php file here, and here I am going to create the index.blade.php file here, and another one I am going to create, that is edit.blade.php file here. So index.blade.php it is here, and I am going to do one thing, that is I am going to do what? So here it is okay, edit. Now layout sidebar is needed in case of me, and all the drop down here, actually drop down is not right now needed, is not needed now, later I will do that. And here you see already edit profile, logout, these two items, edit profile, logout, already in the top right section. Here I give the access. So from here I am going to remove these two items. So here just logout I am going to remove from here, and it can be the manage user. So here I can write here the user, here it is actually like the manage user, and here I can write the admin, and here user, and a star mark I am going to give here. So admin, and here give user, and then index. So I am now going to create something in the web.php, and so that you can understand, here you see in the admin panel admin has all this data. So middleware is admin here, and prefix is admin here, and all these are the admin secret pages. Okay, so here I am now going to call here, that is admin controller. If you want, you can do everything using the admin controller, but I am not going to do that. I am going to create an admin user controller. So in order to work here, I am going to create, that is the admin user controller.php. okay, so this is the thing here, and I am now going to control it from admin, like something, or here one thing I am going to do, I am going to delete it. Okay, so from the command prompt I can write php artisan make controller, and into the admin folder I will create admin user controller. So you will see that the admin user controller has been created, and all the files in the top are already created. So my function will be public function index, and I am going to show all the data. So admin.user.index, that means in the admin folder, user folder, index this file. Okay, so it is called here admin.user.index, so it is okay. And here in this case what I will do, you see there is nothing in the index file. So I am going to follow the thing, that is the dashboard, no, not dashboard, profile. So from profile I am going to copy this and paste it here, and instead of this I am going to write all users, or here I can write the users. So all the users I will show here, and it will be the admin user submit or index submit. Yes, admin user submit will be here, and it is okay. No, sorry, not form, this one will be table. I am going to show all the users, so it will be a table format. So here I can write call lg12, and card is okay, and table responsive, and after that I can write the table table bordered like this, and here tr and then ts. So here serial number I can write here, then I can use the user has the name, the email has, the user has email, and the phone number has here, and here status. the user status is very important here, and then there will be a action. If the user has any status, I am going to the table. If I created any status here, there should be an status. You see one, pending, active, and suspended, or something like that. 0, 1, 2, total 3 status. Okay, so it is perfect. Now I am going to show all the users. So in the user here, I am going to write the model, that is use app model user, and in this case I am going to show all the users, user all, or here I can write user get, whatever you want, you can use this. And compact users, I will send the user to that table, to this file index. So variable is users. So here I can write for this users as user, it is not needed, single format is good. And here it suggests me this code, I apply the solution. Okay, end for this. Let's check it. Loop iteration is serial is okay. User name, email, phone, and status. If status 1, then active, but here it will be busy success and busy danger. And here if 1, but here total there are 3. So else if user status equal to 0, then it is pending. So here I can write pending, and else is here suspended. That means here I can write else, and this is suspended. Something like that. And here you see edit and delete, 2 options will be here. Edit can be warning, and instead of edit you can write the class equal to this one. And instead of delete, here I can use the font awesome icon. So class equal to here fs trash, so it is okay. And here btn sm is good. And what I can do here is I can apply in the case of trash, that is on click. So on click equal to return confirm, and here I write are you sure, so that before deletion it will come in a pop-up that if you want to sure delete this data or not, so something like that. So it is okay. So if I now go here, refresh it, you see admin user index not found. Okay, so let's complete this one. So here you see, here actually I did not work with it. Here it will be the user, and here it will be the index, user index, and here user index will be here, and then there will be a user create. So next route will be here, that is the create, and here it will be the create, and this is create. And after submit, store data, so it will be not create, I can write here the store, and store, and here I can write store. And then there is a edit, so edit id is okay, edit, and update is this, and delete is this. So let's check it, edit, update, delete, edit, update, delete, post out, and it is post out. So okay, so it is perfect and fine, it should work. I am going to refresh. You see manage users, if I click here, admin user controller does not exist. So let's go here, that is the admin user controller. You see that in the web.php I called this one, but in the top I did not call it. So here I will have to call the admin user controller. So refresh it, you see all the users are showing here. You know that in my table already these 2 users are there, so you are seeing that these 2 users are there. If you want, you can also show the photo. And here if I go to the index and table, here you can use the table table md, that means medium. Okay, so in this way you can control the table. And for the for the data table, for example, I think id example is the thing, example or example on, actually I forget it. Refresh, no, it is d table, something like this probably. No, it is not working. So let's check it now. So I am going to the public dist admin javascript custom js. It is example 1. Okay, but id equal to, it is example 1, table class equal to this one. So what is the thing here? I am going to write id equal to example 1 and trth trtd. So table bordered, I am going to do one thing, that is admin panel HTML. I already have the table data in my hand, so here data table is there, it is okay. But when I call that table, it is something like that, t head and t body. So if I want to use the t head, and here it is the t head, and here there will be a t body. So here it will be a t body here. So this is the end for is, and this is the loop. Okay, so let's now try if it comes or not. Yes, it is working now. So that means you will have to use in this way. So it is okay, table md, and if I use table sm, you see the table size is now small. So in this way you can show the table in a small format, no problem. So sm or md both are good. And here a photo, if you want you can show the user photo here. So here if you want you can show the photo. If user photo not equal to empty, then I will show the photo, but it is into the uploads folder, user of photo is okay. Otherwise it will show the photo from the uploads folder, and that is the default.png. So this one will be shown if there is no photo. And instead of this I can write what things I can write: style equal to wide 100 pixel, height what, for example, this is okay. Now I am going to refresh, you see these two items are showing, and here in this user there is no phone number, so it is showing like that. So it is okay. So my showing task, that means all the users showing is done. So in the create, if I want to create a new user, what I will do, I will show you now. And in this case I will have to copy the data that I just have made. So I am going to close it, and I am now going to show the form here. I am going to open the form in this location, and you will see there is this two data, it is okay. Now let's check it first. So first of all I am going to copy index page data and paste it into the create page. So here it will be the create user. So now I am going to write here, that is the create user. But in the form you see there was another thing here, and justify content between, so something like that. So copy it, and here create user is actually something like that. So here I am going to cut it and paste it and remove it, and here extra item is this, and this is all items. So all items you can show that, and here you can show the admin user index, you can link it. Similarly when I worked with the index, same thing I can apply here, but here it will be create, and here it will be the create user. So it is a plus icon will be here, and here all items, here you can use the eye icon. So if I now refresh, you see create user comes, but it should be here. So justify content between deflex, if I use here, then it is not actually working. So what I will do, here is ML auto, and instead of this, if I just remove this one, and user is in the left side, justify content between, that means this one and this one, these two items, I can write justify content between. Here what I can do, here section header justify content deflex, deflex will be here, and that means these two items, this item and this item, these two items should be here, not between, sorry, it will be justify content. Okay, align item center is not needed. I am just going to show the data here, that is the form output is here. So if it shows there, it also should be shown here. So what I can do, I am going to write here again, primary FA plus button ML auto, okay. So here email auto is here class equal to margin left auto. So it is okay. I'm not sure why it is not going to work. In which place I am working, that is also another important thing. Create user page, sorry. So that is the problem is I am going to check this user, this page, but applying that in that page in this way it will not work. So now it is it should work. So users again, and here it will be create. Now it should work. Refresh. Yes, actually I was working with the wrong file. I was working with the create page, but I am going to load it into here. So that is the problem. Okay, so you see this is working now. If I click here, it will take you to which page? Create page, but method create is not found because I did not apply that method into my controller. So let's do that. Public function and then create, create admin user create. So refresh it, you see users variable it is not going to get. So I will have to write or change something in the create. So in the create, the table will not be here. So I am just going to remove the table from here. In the case of create, here it will be form group is okay. If you want you can use, but for equal to this is not important. ID name not needed, and required I will handle with the PHP. So you see this is the form start and end. You admin user story is okay, also multipart form data is okay. Now name equal to this form control, and form group is actually not needed. It is okay. So name, and then I will have to put the email. So here email, and then there will be a phone, and so here it is the phone. So name, email, phone, and who is other information. You see that name, email, phone, and this label should be highlighted. So this label for the admin panel I am going to apply CSS. That means I am going to apply CSS here, custom, and there is no label. So here I am going to write label. Font size, not font size, font weight 600 for example. So if I refresh, you see it is okay, and margin bottom 5 pixel. So it should look good. Okay, so name, email, phone, and what other information is there the user need to change. That is that means I am admin and I am going to add the user. So the things I am going to close it. Okay, so name, email, phone, and there will be other information. So it can be the address here. So admin can address, but not mandatory. So name and email, these two are mandatory here. And here is address is okay. And after that I can write photo. So photo is not here. Photo will be into the top, but it is not mandatory for admin. Admin can skip it if he wants, but there is option to add. Okay, so it is okay. So name, and another thing is row. I am going to call here. I am going to call everything in a row, and here with the MB I am going to use the call system here. So here I am going to select all, and here call LG6, call LG6. Only for the photo it will be 12, and in other cases this one. So photo is okay. Name, email, phone, address, country, state, city, zip. So here is country. Country will be here, and then there will be city, city, then password. It is asking password. Okay, so country, state, country, here it will be state, after that, and city, then after that there will be a zip code. So here zip code, and after putting everything there is another one, because there is a status option here. So status and password is actually not needed. A automatically generated password will be sent to the email of the user, so that is good. and a status should not be like this. A status will be as a select box. So here class equal to form select, and here a status will be like this option, and total 3 options will be here, right? So one is pending, and another one is active, another one is suspended. Pending is equal to 0, 1 and 2, and after that you will have to write like this button type submit create user. Here I can write submit, so submit is okay. So this is the form. Actually the user will just going to create the user. So name, email, phone address, country, state, city, zip, and a status will be pending or this, and photo you can use into 2 lines. That means in that case I will have to write it into a div, so that should be perfect. So in this way, so photo and all other information are here. And you see this is the height is low, so what I can do is you can increase the height here. Okay, so height means here I am going to inspect it, and here you see it is okay, but here line height and another one is what, here height I can fix. Probably there is a CSS, so I am going to the CSS now, custom CSS, and where I applied those items. That means here if there is any input, you see form control, input group text, okay, form control is okay, and also in the form select I am going to use the same thing. So refresh, same size will be here, here and here, and now I am going to use the height. So in the form select, height 40 pixel and something like that, and here I can increase it, so you can use it to 44 pixel, so it is okay. So if you want you can do that. And form command, it is important, form select, so it is important but not working, I'm not sure. It should work into other place. No, font size command is which one, 15 pixel, it is the size, but height is not defined, so height is important thing here. So select, so here it is select, form select. So form select, here I am going to define height 40 pixel, 40 pixel. So now if I refresh, you will see all will be the same height now. So here 40 or 44 is okay also, there is no problem, so height is fixed. And here you can use the important so that all becomes of same size, so it is okay. And now I am going to create the user now. So I am going to close this, and in the user controller you will see that this is the create. And now in order to add the user, I am going to use the public function store. So name and email must be given, password I am not going to give, password I will auto generate. So here I write generate a random password, generated random password. So random password equal to something like that, generate 8 random password, 8 character random password, generate 8 character random password, okay. And then I am going to use the password equal to that is not MD5, it will be the bcrypt. So bcrypt random password. So this password I can show, this random password is the main thing, and this is the password you will have to save into the database table. So I am now going to use that, but this step I will work after this. So user equal to new user, name, email, phone, and all the data you must have to give here. That is handle photo, not like that. I am going to use the name, email, phone, and address. So here I am going to write address, then country, and then I will have to write the state, country, state, and then there will be city, and then there will be zip. Country, name, email, phone, country, phone, address, country, state, city, zip, and password equal to this. And another extra one is here, that is the status. Okay, but here the thing is password is okay, the bcrypt is this, but the user will get the email. So okay, I will show that later, but for now the photo control is important, so I am going to control the photo. So if I want to control the photo, then I will have to write the user controller profile. So profile, user controller has the profile, and now I am going to use this one. So if is request photo, so here this is very important to use here. I am going to write here, if the request photo, that means he selects something, then I will check if it is image or not. SVG is not needed, image is okay. And if final name equal to user of this one, user photo, if user photo not equal to empty, then unlink this one. And here you see, as I am going to insert the photo, there is nothing to unlink, just upload it. So user photo equal to final name. Okay, photo section is done. And after everything is okay, send email to user with the credential. So in this case, what I will do here, in the case of user, you already know I have this. So in the admin, in the top, I am going to call website mail, app mail, website mail. And these two item I can apply if needed, it is okay. And another one, that is sending email. So sending email has two types of things, one is link or subject, message, and mail. So these three items are important here also, sending email. So subject message is your account is created. Okay, your account is created. See your credentials, see your login credentials, login details below. So okay, so message email will be this, and password equal to random password. And URL, another one for this is message dot equal to it is URL. So what is the URL? Route of user login is the URL in this case. And okay, so email will be sent to the request of email. And admin user index, here you see bcrypt random password. Okay, so bcrypt random password means password. So here I directly can call password, so it is okay. Now let's create an user. You see, now there are two users. Now I will create the user. So create user, and here I am going to use the fake name generator here to generate the random user here, that is the mail, and generate it. Again generate for example this person. So here just come here and use this user, and Ronald @example.com, and phone is like this, address is so ABC street, or from here you can also pick up the address like this, it is also okay. So from here this is the county FL, FL is this, Orlando is city, this one is this, and country USA. So in this way you can use the address, and status can be active, that is okay. Photo I cannot give, that is also okay, but you see the email is going to be sent. So the problem is SMTP. SMTP, that means mail trap. So I am going to use a mail trap here, but I am going to reset the mail trap. Okay, so here I am going to delete it, and I am going to add a sandbox, my inbox. So create a new index. Okay, so this is the username I am going to use here into the .env file. Here you will see that here my username will be here for now, and password is this one. So copy this, and password is this one. So contact at the rate of example, or admin at the rate of example.com. So it is okay. So now you will see that the user is created, Ronald, this one. And if the admin go to see manage user, he will see that it is already made. So I create another one. So for example, here you see two persons in the same number comes here. So if you want, you can stop this. That means here you see like this, phone can be nullable, but unique phone must be here. You can use the user of phone. So it is also possible that if you want, you can make make it unique. So here apply this. Okay, so now what I am going to do, I am manually going to change this one, so that there should not be anything like this. Okay, so now if you try to apply the same phone number again, it will not be possible at all. Name required, if you give this to perfectly, but still phone number, you see phone number already has been taken, so that means it is working now. Now let's do that again. I am going to create another user, that is David Lilliard, or here I can use another one, William Rabi. So here I am going to use this one, and here William at the rate of example.com. And if I use 111.222.3335, and address is, for example, another address here. So I just copy this one, and this is the main address, and the fractional address is this. That means I am going to add here the country, not country, this is the city, this is the state, and this is this one, for example. And he is pending is okay, country USA. And in this user I am going to apply a photo. So sample photo I am going to apply here. So sample photo, and there is a profile photo. So for example, this person is this. So click on submit. Photo on null, what happens? And here you see attempt to assign property photo on null. Here I am just going to check it again, photo. So photo is the thing here, user photo, final name is okay. So user equal to new user, I pass the data from there. Here you see it is sandbox is new, there is nothing in my inbox, but assigned to users, here photo is nullable field, so it is okay. Here is no problem here. And what is the data? I am going to close this, create. So in this create, name equal to this multi-part form data, so it is okay. So in order to fix this one is admin user store. And so let's do the chat. I see this error message in creating user from admin panel. So admin admin user controller.php. So if you just wait for some times, you will see what it tells me here. What is the issue? And here it will tell what is the problem. I found the issue problem is final name is being set before the object is created. So final name equal to null, it is suggesting me that something like that. So it is assigning, so final name user photo, and so I am going to do one thing, that is undo. I am going to call the undo. Okay, so the user equal to new user, I am going to write it here. So let's now do that. Create, you will see it is waiting for sometimes to send the email, and yes, email is done, and this one created, photo is also okay, and I am going to check the email. You will see the user is going to get his password. This is the randomly generated password for him. So this is for William, and if the William try to log in here in the front end, he will be able to log in. So this one, and password will be this one. So here I am going to give his password and log in, and invalid credentials. So okay, no problem, I am going to give it here. User login is not linkable. You should make it linkable always, but he cannot actually log in for what, because he's pending, right? So that is the issue. So if I make him manually not pending, for example I make him active, then he will be able to log in. So using this information, I now can log in, I hope. So you see, yes, I can log in here. This is the person, and all his data are given here, and password he can change from here, for example 1234 1234. So update profile updated. Now if you try to log in as William for here like this, and 1234 if I give, I can log in. That means the password has successfully been changed. So you see, there is no issue, and it is perfectly working. So creation is done.